What? You missed the AZPPA portfolio build? Wow, we had 4 amazing sets, models from J&M Talent, and once again, Janelle came through with some great models. Anne-Marie, David, Charles, and I were providing instructions to anyone needing a little extra help. Everyone had a great time. Let's do a breakdown of one of the sets. The Beauty Shot Setup. We set this up with clamshell lighting. While there's several ways to get clamshell lighting, for this setup we used the Godox AD200 and a Westcott Joel Grimes beauty dish. We also used a Westcott extension arm so we could place the light modifier right over the camera lens and directly in front of the model. Then to complete this clamshell, we used the Westcott eye lighter, which adds a great reflection into the iris of the eye and fills in the shadows from the main light. We also had another Godox AD200 light for your background light or as a kicker light. Pro tip: Larry Peters, the inventor of the eye lighter, recommends that the center of the eye lighter to be 30 inches from the talent's face. That's about an arm length away. So have your model stretch their arm and touch the center of the eye lighter, and it should be the correct distance from your subject. A big thank you to Maylin Martinez for being a fantastic model. So much fun to photograph. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like, subscribe, and comment. Until next time, keep shooting.